How to create checkboxes in Microsoft Word. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make printable and clickable checkboxes step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Word tutorials. First, open your Word document where you want to create the checklist. Now, select the text list that you want to turn into checkboxes. If you only want a printable checklist, go to the Bullets option in the toolbar. Click on Define New Bullet. Now select Symbol under the bullet options. Choose Wingdings as the font. Then pick the checkbox style you want and click OK. Now your list will automatically turn into checkboxes for printing. If the text looks indented, highlight the list again. Go to Paragraph Settings and set indentation to 0 to fix the alignment. Now, if you want clickable checkboxes inside Word, enable the Developer tab. Go to File, then Options, then Customize Ribbon. Check the Developer option and click OK. Now, place your cursor next to each item in your list. Go to the Developer tab and click the checkbox control. Adjust spacing by adding a space so it looks properly aligned. Now, repeat this for each item in your list. You can copy and paste the checkbox to speed things up across the list. And that's it. That's how you can create checkboxes in Microsoft Word easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Word tutorials.